Updating old content is one of the most effective search engine optimization strategies to regain lost rankings and drive fresh traffic. However, editing a live, published post directly poses serious risks. Visitors and search engine bots might see an unfinished draft, and mistakes can go live. Creating a brand new post isn't a solution either, as it changes the URL, breaks existing backlinks, and destroys years of accumulated search engine authority. With Admin Optimizer's Content Refresh module, you get a clean staging workflow directly inside WordPress. You can clone any post, update it at your own pace without affecting the live version, and seamlessly merge the changes back, preserving your original URL, metadata, backlinks, and search engine value intact. The workflow is designed to be completely effortless. Clone the post, make your edits safely in draft mode, and click Republish to replace the live content. First, in the Settings panel, select which post types you want to enable for content refresh. Whether you are updating standard posts, static pages, documentation, or custom post types, you can choose exactly where this feature should be active across your website. Furthermore, you can also control access by choosing which user roles are allowed to perform a content refresh. For example, you can grant Republish rights to administrators and editors, while keeping standard contributors restricted. This pre-selection ensures team collaboration stays organized and prevents unauthorized overwrites on critical live content. Moving down, Admin Optimizer gives you granular control over how the live post is updated. You can choose to update the post publish date or modified date to signal fresh content to search engines. You can also set toggles to automatically overwrite categories, tags, and custom fields, guaranteeing that all metadata transfers seamlessly. Additional options allow you to notify readers via your RSS feed or automatically send the working clone draft to the trash once republished to keep your database clean. Once you have configured your preferences, click Save Changes to apply these global settings across your site. To refresh an article, head over to your Posts table. Hover over the post you want to update and click Create Republish Clone. This immediately creates a standalone draft copy of your post, leaving your live article untouched and fully visible to visitors while you work. Inside the WordPress editor, a clear notification banner confirms that you are working on a Republish clone. Here, you can overhaul your content, add new images, or assign the draft to content writers and team members. Because this clone operates independently, you can take as much time as needed without any impact on the live page. Once your updates are finalized and approved, click the Republish button. Admin Optimizer instantly replaces the original live post with your updated content, automatically moving over all metadata, custom fields, and taxonomies without changing the main URL. And that's all there is to it. Your content refresh is complete. By keeping your URLs constant and transferring complete metadata, Admin Optimizer ensures your updated content re-enters search results with full search engine authority, helping you maintain top rankings and drive continuous organic growth.